Are you in the Twin Cities area and in need of a roof replacement? Look no further than Viking Contractors. Our team of experts specializes in roof replacements, and we're committed to providing top-notch service to our customers. At Viking Contractors, we understand the importance of having a strong, reliable roof over your head. That's why we offer industry-leading services. Our team is experienced and knowledgeable in all things roofing, and we use only the highest quality materials available. One of the best things about choosing Viking Contractors for your roofing replacement needs is that if you have homeowners insurance, you may be able to get your entire roof replaced for the cost of your insurance deductible. To ensure a stress-free and successful process, we will be with you every step of the way, from filing an insurance claim to completing the replacement. We're dedicated to providing top-notch service to our customers, which is why we handle all the details with insurance companies, so you don't have to. Plus, with our commitment to service, reliability, and unparalleled craftsmanship, you can trust that your roofing replacement will be completed with the highest level of quality and professionalism. Don't let an old or damaged roof bring you down. Choose Viking Contractors for all of your roofing replacement needs in the Twin Cities area. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and get started on your roofing replacement journey.